Don't miss this great vehicle. It's equipped with great features. You want to take this vehicle home. Make a great choice today. Visit the dealership today and see this vehicle firsthand. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain sensing wipers, electronic stability control, power lift gate, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, winter package, panorama sunroof, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.